Um, Welcome all of my friends in my tutorial, online YouTube tutorial BDC Shop Programmer, and I am a novice programmer Muhammad Shamrat Mia. Welcome all of my friends. Um, in my previous tutorial, I teach you that how can we create connection for a transaction, any type of data from to database or database to from. Now in this tutorial I am going to teach you how can we save a value, a data, using the previous database and previous connection. So at first I am now opening my database. My database is here, SQL Server 2008 R2 version. Yes, it's a phone book, and my table is contact info. Yes, and my contact info table has one field which I create the previous tutorial. It is ID. Yes, its data type is integer. So today I am going to insert some simple value inside this ID field. We need to open Visual Studio 2013. Yes, so I'm now going to open Visual Studio 2013. Yes, here is my previous F configuration code. My database is phone book, and this is my SQL Server property name, which just need to be included SQL Server, and that was my class, and this is my form. It's a design view. Yes, I have already generated the connection code, SQL connection, in previous tutorial, the second tutorial. For a flashback, I tell you here I create my second tutorial in a class and F configuration, and my add key was mycon, and my class object was OB, and I need to be a combination the app configuration and class object. So I combination those inside my main function. Here is my main function, and I combination those class and app configuration. Actually, app configurations object name mycon was declared by asticon variable, so I combination asticon, not mycon. Actually those is similar. So now I am going to generate some code for save a very simple value, I mean integer value. So I need to design. This is my form, and I have a toolbox. If your environment has no toolbox just like me, so you can add your toolbox view. Here is a designer, solution explorer, team explorer, server explorer, and toolbox also. Here is toolbox. Here is solution explorer. This is very important for generative software. Okay, I just design in this time, so I need a level. It is very important to know how the way all the tools work. Actually, level is declared. Actually, level is declared that what kind of information you need to be write in a text box or combo box or a radio button select option. So level help us to declare the information type. So I just today I'm going to insert a ID because my database has ID column, so I need to save ID. Okay. Okay. Now I need a text box for write some data in a text area. Text box. Here is my text box tools. It is a very important software. I need declare a perfect name, txt id. Why you can ask me that why I change this text box name. Actually, when I go to the view code, that time it helps me to generate code. When I see txt id, that time I can ensure that it is only for text box for id column. Okay, now I going to generate a button. Okay, button button. Here is my button. Yes, here is my button, and I just declare a save because today I'm going to show you that how can we save a simple value. Yes, the same way. No, it is just a btn save. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now I'm going to generate some code for save. So I just generate user defined function. You know that a function has two kind of function. It's a predefined or built-in function, and the second is user defined function. So I just create a second user defined function. Private void save. Yes. Okay. Now I need to code SQL command. Simply the object for SQL command. A new SQL command. Insert into. I need to table name. So I'm just going database is my table name. Yes, contact information. Yes, contact information. I have a field name of ID, so I write that, and values. That's very important. you can ask me question why I write such like this code in a red color, red condition under a red condition. Actually, SQL command it helps us to command software program that pulls insert a value, and this line, I think you are able to watch that. This red color line statement is only for SQL statement. Actually, we want to try save some of value inside a database SQL Server 2008 R2 version, our phone book database, inside table contact information, and the field is ID. When we try to insert a value inside a table under a field, inside a field under a table, that time we need a parameter. And parameter is very important for a dynamic software. It's a parameter. This highlight is a parameter. What is parameter? Actually, parameter only used for transfer my value, transfer my data from form to database or from database to forms. It only works such like transportation. Okay, and so it's very important. And at this time, I need to add SQL connection. Yes. cmd dot command type equal command type dot. Yes. Here you are able to watch a three condition: store procedure, second is table direct, and third is text. Now I am using is text. Actually, this is a basic formula to save a value inside a database from form. But most of the renewable software company they are using store procedure formula. But if I want to use store procedure, then I need to be query on database. That's the important rule to work inside a software. So after some of project, I will show you that how you can save data or value inside a database by store procedure formula. But today we are just learn how can we use text formula for save update set. Okay, text. This time the next statement, cmd dot parameters dot dd. Yes, this time I need to write the parameters name. Okay, SQL DB type dot integer dot value equal txt. This time txt id, it is the text box name what I declare in a design view, the form. What is this line? What this line means? Yes, we need to remind that if we write any instruction the left side of equal sign, that time the instruction is what which is present in the left side from equal sign. I mean this is will be our source, and the left side from equal sign will be our destination. we need to insert a value from here to database. So our source is this text box. So we need to write this text box name, the right side from equal sign, and these values will be go our declared database. So here in this time, and this value is going to by our parameters. So we are write the left side this parameters name. Okay. And our database, if we have this is our column name and it is our data type name, integer, id is integer. So these parameters only get value, transfer value whose values are integer. So we are declare integer. If our field is var character, so then time we just write here var character. That time we need to declare a length of data type. Okay, yes. In this time, when we open a form, that time our form SQL connection will be open. It's automatically open. So we need to be closed after when our work will be finished. Open, yes. Same dot execute non-query, and open dot close, yes. Okay. When we save a value, insert a value inside a database, the time we can't understand that my value is already perfectly inserted. Within, we are not use a message box. So I need to a message box for get a feedback. Okay. MESSG message box dot show. Yes. Here I write save is complete successfully. Yes. I just declare a button if we wish to attach a button, message box icon, information, because the message type will be information that will be suitable for our insert. This is our user defined function, and it is a user defined function, and we are going to save by the button. So we need to be call this function inside the button. So our function name is save. So I going to double right click in button and just write save. Yeah. So my project is now be working. It's ready to be working. So I just after start just rebuild for checking is there any kind of wrong or error. If I find an error, that time I get a chance to solve that error problem. Okay, now it's debugging, completing the operation sectional. Yes. Okay, it's it's a refactor. I just block that. Don't be panicked. It is not your. It's just another warning. I declare 2 extra text box and button before I watching this before I create this video. Before that time I delete those button and text box, so the refactor catch the warning. So I just block it by double slash. So, I think that my project is ready for working. Again, revolt for any kind of error or wrong turn. I need to find that. It seems that it's now the success. It will be now success. Yes. Now I'm going to start my first action for save. For integer, I need 20. I just insert 2, okay, and save. Yes, the save is complete successfully. That means my value is now inside my declared table in declared database. So I'm going to database for check that. Yes. This is my 2, and there's a 1 I inserted before, and this 2 in this moment I insert this value of 2. I insert another value. Yes. Save is complete successfully. So the 3 must be attached my table. Yes. Yeah, it is a 3. And my lucky number. This was my lucky roll. And my diploma. And if I check, yes, 526189 is my code. That is integer. So it's now inserting inside my table ID field. So I can design it very well. I can design it for decoration. So I need to more tools for decoration. So I need to panel. Yes, that's panel. properties. Here is the dock, so I select the up. Yes, and I just copy it. Yes, and properties again, and select left side. I need to maximize this side for a better view. Yes. I need to panel for a better design. Actually, design is only all of your technique. This is not need to learn what I am doing in this time. It is only your passion. I just simply it is done. I just simply design. I need a label. Yes. What size false? Company information. I need to be bolded. So I go to font. Yes. 36. I need to text align for a center view. Yes, this time the label shows in a center. Yes. This time I'm running again this form, and from a better view in this time we are now able to be watching. Yes. Okay. Sum of integer. Save. And in this time my save is completely successfully. So today I think that we can code for save, and if you have any problem, please message me, and my email is, you can email me for any problem. Okay, goodbye, having a good day. And in the next week I will be teach you how can we save by using store procedure. Okay, uh, now I am taking goodbye all of my friends, and again I am saying that please subscribe me, like, comment and share my video and YouTube channel. I need all of your help. Thank you very much. Thank you all of my friends. Thank you.